Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity, and inspiration. The first DIY I have for all of you is this pineapple art frame. We will use a picture frame, a piece of velvet fabric, and a pineapple placemat. First, I will remove the backing of the picture frame along with the glass panel. Next, I will utilize the box the picture frame was in and cut a piece of cardboard the same size as the back panel. Now, I will cut the fabric about 1 inch from the edge of the cardboard I just trimmed. It is time to attach the fabric to the cardboard using hot glue. Here's my panel, nice and smooth. Next, I will place all the backing back into the picture frame and close it. The next step is to attach the pineapple placemat to the center of the picture frame. Finally, I will hot glue the placemat on the surface and we should be done. This is an easy and quick DIY. What do you think? Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this pineapple art frame? The fabric is green, but my camera sometimes makes it look yellow or brownish. For the next DIY, we will create a flooring lion vase. We will use 2 flooring samples. They are 2 different tones, but they will work for this project. Then we will embellish it. I am in my garage and it is bright. I hope you can follow along. I will show you how I am going to do the cuts. Using this staple saw, I will tilt the blade 45 degrees to cut all the sides of the vase. This vase will be 3.5 inches from side to side and 8 inches tall. Next, I will cut some scrap wood for the bottom of the vase. Here are all my pieces nicely cut and ready to be assembled. I will attach all the pieces using E6000 glue and rubber bands and let them dry for 24 hours. To embellish the vase, I will attach this white ribbon and a metal lion door knocker that will complement its gray tones. Lastly, I will attach this black suede studded ribbon and we should be done with this DIY. Here is the final reveal. I don't know if I like it. My original idea was to make it more organic, but it turned out almost like a Halloween vase. What do you think of this vase? What would you have done differently? For this final DIY, we will create a Magnolia stained glass frame. We will use a picture frame and a glass cutting board like this. Here is the template I will use. Also, some super glossy Mod Podge, different Resin Ink colors, and black 3-dimensional paint. First, I will open the picture frame and remove all the staples from the back. Next, I will remove all the legs from the cutting board. What I like about this cutting board is its texture, similar to real stained glass. Now, I will tape the template to the back of the cutting board and paint the design on the textured side. Using the black 3-dimensional paint, I will outline my design as you can see here. I am using a toothpick to correct any lines, also keeping a napkin handy for any messes. It is time to apply some color. I will mix Mod Podge with Resin Ink for this step. The idea is to pour some Mod Podge and add a few drops of Resin Ink. Then add more color if you prefer a darker tone. I am using a skewer to spread the color and reach all corners. Test your colors in a small area to see if you have reached the desired color by placing your stained glass piece against light. To create a shadow, I am adding a darker color. You can add Mod Podge or ink directly into the wet first application. I will show you a few examples. Next, I will attach the cutting board to the picture frame using E6000 glue and let it dry for 24 hours. Because I want the Magnolia to pop a little more, I will paint the back of the cutting board with white paint and water, as I want light to go through. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this Magnolia stained glass frame? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.